Hello everybody, we have this Tengalan fish, the very famous river fish in Malaysia, especially the Sarawak. This is well, like 20 pounds per kilo, you know. It's very famous to steam the fish. Steam the fish with the ginger, garlic, and the pickle vegetable. Yeah, you put some light soya sauce, as well. Some the sesame oil. Yeah, this is the size is about like 700 gram. 700 gram. Very famous fish in Malaysia, in Southeast Asia, you know. Thank you for watching. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel.